Do you want to start making money like this? Watch to the end of this video. So you're on this video because you want to learn how to start making money online. Now let me assure you, we have over 5 years of experience, and I just want to say that making money online is a very exciting thing to do. You know, because you're practically your own boss and you call the shots. But it can also be a very frustrating and challenging thing to go through if you don't know what you're doing. But don't worry, we got your back, because we're going to show you how you can start today and get paid today. Now just wait a minute. Before you get excited, there's something that you need to know. Now, in order for you to start making money online starting today, you're going to need a product to promote, you're going to need audience to see the product, and you're going to need a place to promote the product. Well, you're probably wondering, well, I don't have a lot of friends. I don't know what product to promote. What can I do? What can you do? We have a solution. You see, the product that we promote, it's been changing a lot of people's lives. In fact, the people on our end, they're making anywhere from $300 to $500 a day, and they pay daily. No waiting over here. That's right. No need to wait. You can get started today, and you can get paid today. And since you're looking for a way on how to make money online, this is the best way. If you want to know more information about this program, we're going to leave the link in the description box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. That's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.